Welcome back to the channel, your guide to smart travel tech. Today, we're putting the spotlight on the best foldable headphones that are built to last. These aren't just for packing small, they're made to withstand daily abuse, from your commute to your toughest adventures. We're talking about robust design that combines incredible sound with serious durability. If you're looking for a reliable pair that works as hard as you do, make sure to subscribe. We've put these tough headphones through the ringer, and all the links you need to get one for yourself are in the description below. Let's get tough on sound. Number 5. Brand name, Oneodio, model number, A71, equipped with 50mm drivers, these wired over-ear headphones deliver exceptional sound clarity and depth, making them perfect for studio monitoring, mixing and DJing. The high-resolution audio ensures every detail and nuance in your music is captured and reproduced with precision. The soft padded ear cushions are specifically designed for monitor headphones comfort and noise isolation. Powerful bass sound, clear details, great for playing musical instruments like guitar, e-drum, and listening to music, etc. Number 4. Brand name, Edifier, model number, ES850NB, featuring skin-friendly leather ear pads and a steel headband, these headphones are designed for all-day comfort. Fully foldable, they are easy to carry wherever you go. Built-in microphones with AI noise cancellation technology ensure crystal-clear calls, even in noisy environments. The 40mm dynamic driver with a titanium-coated composite diaphragm delivers clear highs, detailed mids, and powerful bass for premium audio performance. Featuring a lightweight, ergonomic design. Number 3. Brand name, Oneodio, model number, Pro 10. The Oneodio Pro 10 wired headphones offer an immersive listening experience. The 50mm drivers deliver rich bass and clear highs. Enjoy clear sound and comfort with the Oneodio Studio Monitor headphones. Large, 50mm speaker unit drivers combined with neodymium magnets, powerful bass, clear vocal, and crisp high tones form stereo sound built to stay comfortable. The Oneodio Pro 10 wired headphone are designed for travel, work, and entertainment. Number 2. Brand name, Edifier, model number, W830NB. The Edifier W830NB ANC Bluetooth headphone is the flagship Edifier headphone, combining advanced audio technology with advanced hybrid active noise cancellation. Immersive sound with both high-res audio and high-res audio wireless certification. With a three-dimensional sound stage algorithm, it brings a cinema-level surround atmosphere to provide an immersive stereo listening experience. Featuring ergonomic design with soft, comfortable earpads and an adjustable headband. Fully foldable design for flexible portability, travel-friendly. Number 1. Brand name, Baseus, model number, Bowie D05. The Baseus Bowie D05 are not just ordinary headphones but over-the-ear headphones that offer a seamless Bluetooth headphones wireless experience. Neatly designed foldable joints convert this headphone to just a bit bigger than the size of your palm. With hi-fi stereo sound and deep bass, these headphones wireless Bluetooth elevate every track, making them ideal running headphones, gym headphones, or even as workout headphones. From the memory foam ear cups that guarantee comfort to the built-in HD microphone which makes them an ideal wireless headphones with microphone, the Baseus Bowie D05 caters to all your needs.